Hi everyone, welcome. In our last 3 lessons we've been learning interrogative words in German. So far we've learned wann, when, warum, why, was, what. Notice the pronunciation of the W in all of these 3. Wann, warum, was. In this lesson we are going to learn the interrogative which. So how do you say which in German? There are actually 3 forms. There are the forms WELCHER, WELCHE, and WELCHES. WELCHER, WELCHE, WELCHES. So the form that you pick depends on the noun that you are going to modify. The easiest way to remember, I think, is to think of the article. Masculine nouns take der for the, feminine nouns take die, and neuter nouns take das. So the ending will give it away. Der Welcher, die Welche, das Welches. Which, welcher, welche, welches. So let's practice. If I want to say which man, the word man in German is der Mann. So if I wanted to say which man, I have to choose the form of which is either welcher, welche, or welches. Since it's a masculine noun, notice the ER there. That gives it away. Welcher Mann. Welcher Mann, which man. If I want to say which woman, die Frau is a grammatically feminine word, so notice the ending, I. Welche, welche Frau, which woman. Which child, das Kind, notice the article das ends in an S. Welches Kind, welches Kind. It's pretty much that simple. Let's take a look at some other examples. If I want to say which day, remember day is Tag, der Tag, der, it's grammatically masculine. Welcher Tag, der Tag, welcher Tag. Which door, remember door is die Tür, die Tür. Welche Tür. Which car, car is das Auto. Welches Auto. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it if you'd give it a like. To continue learning German and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.